Welcome. In front of me is a Doogee S70, and today I will show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, you will want to open up your settings. From here, scroll down to storage, select your SD card, and then you want to tap on the three dots and go to storage settings, where you will find format option. Now this will give you a message that performing a format on SD card will remove all the data from it. So if there's anything that you'd like to keep on that card, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. Now assuming you have already done so, or you just simply don't want to, click on Erase and Format. This will begin the process, which only takes a couple of seconds, and once it's finished, the card is ready to be used once more, as it is right now. So click on Done, and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.